overdose. I'll be high till next week. No, I had to let her go, cause she can't arrest me. Woke up with my toolie, what they do?
Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. This is my technically first programming video. Nice little video. Today we're covering my little multi-token grabber or whatever the hell it is virus, but it's only for educational use only, so I will cover the license agreement in 1 second, but basically I'm not responsible for anything you do. So let's open up Sublime. Here's the license agreement. Pretty basic MIT license, copyright 2021 Blaze, permission to hereby granted free of charge to any person obtaining a copy of the software associated with documentation of the file. If you download it, just please read this and know what the hell you're doing. If we jump over to the README, I do put 2 warnings in here saying I'm not responsible for anything, for what you do with this, what you use this for. I'm not responsible for what you use this program for, and this is for educational purposes only. So basically this is to protect myself, which you should only really use this for educational purposes only, and maybe to show like your parents or like your family members or your friends how easy it is for them to get hacked, like to demonstrate how people need to be secure. That's what I use it for. So basically, as you can see here, you put the, I'll show you where to put the webhook URL, and also you want to install the requirements after you install Python, of course. Currently I'm using Python 9 or 10. Just make sure you click when you're installing add to path, or that shit will be really, just make sure you click add to path or it won't work. So you want to do pip install -r requirements.txt. That'll install all of the necessary files, including PyInstaller. Then to compile after, when you have your webhook set, to compile it to an exe, you just do Python installer --1 file -w. Then if you have a different folder where you want the all of that file stuff to go, I recommend, so you want to put the path of the file, but if it's in the same folder, you just put the file name. Then you're basically done. And this is just an example. So let's get onto the tutorial on how to use it. So right here, URL, this is where you're going to put your webhook URL, which basically you go into Discord. I'll make a new server really quick. Add server, create my own. It's loading, give it a second. I should have done this beforehand, but I didn't feel like it, so we're waiting. But while this waits, I'll just... Okay, it loaded. Okay, so like right here, basically what you want to do is go to your server settings, integrations, then you want to create a webhook. I just call mine Hacker, because why not? Then you're going to save changes, then you're going to copy webhook URL, then you're going to close out of this, then you're going to want to take your webhook URL, paste it into here, then you're going to Control S for save, got canceled, Now, since I'll demonstrate this, but I already have it loaded up. So what you're going to want to do is just see it's put on the wrong requirements.txt. Copy file path. Here we go. So we're going to want to go to requirements.txt, pip install G, then I'll paste that, which I guess that was the right one. So then I'll just run through here. Since I have everything installed, it just runs through it really quick, but that installs everything. Then once you're, let's say, ready to compile it to an exe, you either want to have the file locate, see, like this is C users Lenovo, so when I run this, it will put all the files into that folder, which we don't want. So what we're going to want to do is we'll put this over here, find our YouTube folder. We're going to want to click Windows Terminal. Oh, not Windows Terminal. Windows Terminal is nicer for using this with on PowerShell, but Control. No, you want to actually go up here, click CMD. It'll open up this little prompt, G YouTube. And what you're just going to want to do is your py install -- on file -w main.py. When you click enter, see, it's going to run through this. It might take a little bit. It could take up to 10 minutes for this to run, which kind of sucks, but it's just getting everything ready. It has to pack all, like Python, it has to pack Python, all your packages and everything into this little tiny exe, so it takes a while. Almost done. There. Building complete successfully. You can now exit out that. Now you're under this. Now you have your main.exe. You can rename this whatever you want. I'm going to run this really quick. Just open it. Okay, it ran. But I'm just gonna see, you can see it ran. I'm not going to show you in there if the information, because that is my personal information. I'm not sharing it to you. So this is as far as you're going to get to look at this for now. But it basically sends a message with all of the information in it. So yep. That's this video. Remember, I am not responsible for any use, or not any use, I'm sorry, my brain's messed up today, for anything you use this file for, or program for, what should I say. But that is all, and goodbye.